Hi, everybody. Will here with a 10 questions in 60 seconds with Toonie Conti. Hi, Toonie. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
How are you, young lady?
She's angry.
Angry? Why?
It's early.
It is early. Okay.
Okay.
Are you ready?
All right.
Set the clock. Go back. Ready? Win Best in Show at Westminster or judge Best in Show at Westminster?
Judge.
If you were a show dog, which judge would you like to examine you?
Judge.
What profession was your childhood dream?
Ooh. Lawyer.
Coke or Pepsi?
Coke.
What TV show would you like to appear on?
Friends.
Who would you like to play you in the movie about you?
Anne Hathaway.
Ah. What is your worst habit?
Ernie. Shopping.
Shopping, okay. What dog show personality, past or present, would you like to have dinner with?
Ooh. Probably Jane Forsyth.
Ah, yes, nice. What is your life's theme song?
Ooh, an original called Toonie Pay Attention.
Toonie, pay attention.
Yes.
Sweet or savory?
Sweet.
Excellent. Thanks, Toonie.
You're welcome.
Time. Hi, everybody. Will here with the 10 questions in 60 seconds with Rebecca Arch. Hi, Beck.
Hi, Will.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Put the timer on, Doback.
It's been going.
Okay. Win Best in Show at Westminster or judge Best in Show at Westminster?
Judge.
If you were a show dog, which judge would you like to examine you?
OMG.
Pass. We'll come back. What profession was your dream?
To be a teacher.
Coke or Pepsi?
Neither.
Like to appear on?
Moonlighting.
Ah, great show.
I love this show.
Who would you like to play you in the movie about you?
Oh, some hot model. I don't know.
Jennifer Aniston.
Okay.
What is your worst habit?
I'm too nice.
What dog show personality, past or present, would you like to have dinner with?
You will.
Am I past or present?
Well, you are in my past.
Yes, true. What's your life's theme song?
Flow Rider. My house.
Sweet or savory?
Sweet.
Okay, if you were a show dog, which judge would you like to examine you?
Will Alexander.
Thanks, Bex.
Time's up! Time's up!